This is the 1995 facelift Nissan Primera P10 with an engine check. So we have to overall visionary check the engine, state of the meticulous and various systems of the car. Beginning with the engine, we can see that the engine, the aluminum metal surface is in a proper state due to continuous maintenance. The spark plugs, even though hot by the previous driving of the car, moving of the car, they are in a very good state. They're holding on to their position solidly. The first, the second, the third, the fourth spark plug for the 4 cylinders. Their cables have a straight line adjusted to the receivers and they're in proper condition. We're giving a maintenance look to the actual multiplier. We can see that the cables by the factory, they are isolated, they're renewed, though we have still application of oil, lubricant here and here, so it's in a proper state, it's in a proper condition. The main cable coming from the air filter is in a very good state. The air filter itself, even though a little dusted, is in a good state, and its connection rod, its connection tube holds on into the main fuselage intake here. The battery is unmovable due to the iron bar attachment. We have disconnected the battery, and we always apply the cable charger of the battery onto a plastic surface. We don't want the cable to be attaching to a metal surface because the battery will be diffused from its energetic volts capacity. So by attaching the cable to a plastic area surface, the rod, the tube or whatever will not diffuse the capacity of the battery energetically. Recently we have added, in the previous Sunday, new lubricant, not lubricant, radiator liquid, and so the level of the water is at this point. A previous matter with the radiator fuselage, the tube, that it was detached. Now it's solidly attached to the main radiator. It's not movable. It's not moving. It's not oscillating. We give a check to the fuses. They're all in perfect state. The liquid of the steering wheel is up to the max, to the proper level of inhalement. The tap of the oil is solid close. The checker of the oil is in a good state, and the oils have been changed recently. This is the ABS, I have to recall. This is the ABS. It's a Bosch. It is a Bosch system, and it's in the best state. And these are the fuselages for the fog lights, the auto choke, the radiator fan 1, the horn, the radiator fog, the driving lamp, the headlamp. And to the other side close to the main engine we have the other fuses of the air conditioner, the EGI, the fuel pump, radiator fan too. The fans themselves, they are kinetical. The liquid of the brakes is up to nearly to the max, or actually to the max. This is the system of the alarm, and it has been disabled since many years. So overall, we assess that the car is in a proper state, mechanically, at least by the engine state assessment, and with caution we can continue driving this wonderful historic car for many years to come. Thank you very much.